Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to share another nail video with you guys. So guys, this is what my nails look like after 2 or 3 weeks. I'm a designer, a mom, and everything else under the umbrella, so I use my hands a lot. I experienced a lot of cracking, and that's probably because they were too thin, so this time I'm going to thicken them up a little. So like I said in my previous videos, you do not need to use a handheld electric nail file, but here I am using mine because I find it to be a lot faster. So right now I'm just like cleaning up around the cuticles and getting all that old stuff, smoothing it out so that it's more flat, so that I have a good surface to work with. As my awesome 6-year-old would say, how smooth does these look? Alright y'all, so now I'm just gathering my essentials to get started on my nails. I know in my previous videos I told you guys about this slip solution. This slip solution is basically used to help shape and push the gel around. I did try using acetone on one finger to see how it would hold up. If it holds up well, I'll be using acetone in my next video so you guys could see. It helped me to shape my nails just as good as the slip solution. So we'll just see how it differs from the nails that I did use the slip solution on. I'll be using the pearl pink and the soft pink poly gels in this video. Before I get started with my base coat, I am going to push my cuticles back, and you can do this either before you do your filing and shaping or after. I feel like it's just up to you, as long as you push them back before you actually put your base coat on. And now I'm just applying my base coat, and I'm going to set that for 30 seconds. In my previous videos, I think I was doing it for 60 seconds, but this time I'm doing it for 30 seconds. Alright y'all, so this is a new technique that I'm trying. So I started with the pearl pink first, and then I added the soft pink. And of course, after I placed the pearl pink down, I went ahead and pushed that around, and then I went ahead and added the soft pink. And then I pushed that around, and I was setting each nail for 5 seconds because I didn't want it to like slip around as I was getting to the next nail. After I finish this last finger, I'm gonna set everything for 60 seconds. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to file and shape. So after filing and shaping, this is what they look like, and I went ahead and did my left hand off camera, and now we're about to get started on coloring and styling my right hand. So for this nail design, I'll be using a silver strip and the Model 1 silver glitter in the color 007. So I added this strip to every finger except my ring finger, and on my ring finger I added the glitter. And for all the other fingers, I added the glitter at the tip of the nail. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you are officially a part of your girl's journey.